A collaboration, or uses a relationship, exists whenever an object from one class uses one or more instances of another class it is not otherwise related to. At runtime, objects interact by providing services to each other. The entity-repository relationships are an example of this type. The customer repository uses a customer object to populate on a retrieve and to serialize on a save. Same for the order, product, and address repositories. Let's see what collaboration looks like in the code. Here we are back in Visual Studio with the ACM solution open. The repository classes we have created are all similar, so let's look at the customer repository as an example. In the retrieve method, the repository uses an entity class to create a new instance and populate it from information in the data store. At this point, we have simply hard-coded values. This allows us to run the code without having the data access layer in place. In the save, the repository uses a entity class, taking in a customer instance as a parameter. It can then use the information from that instance to save the information to the data store. Recognize a collaborative relationship when you see a class use an instance of an otherwise unrelated class to perform an operation. So that's an example of collaboration. Next, let's look at composition.